Hello guys, today I am going to show you how the fuck do you set up a soundboard to annoy people and shit. First of all, download all the things from the description below. After that, install a virtual audio cable. That shouldn't be too hard. Don't forget to restart your potato after installing virtual cable. To make things easier, create the folder for the soundboard and don't forget to name it, because you won't be able to rename it in the future. I also suggest creating many folders for each type of the sounds, so you can easily bind multiple sounds to one key. Next up, open your soundboard and select a virtual audio cable as a playback device. Now things are getting serious. Open the settings and bind a stop all sounds key. Also, if you want sounds to lay over each other, click on the play sounds over each other. Press OK. And click on Save As button. Save your soundboard and name it somehow. Now we will start adding sounds. Click on the Add button. Now click on triple dots. Select one sound by double-clicking it or multiple sounds by holding and dragging your mouse one button. Select a key to bind the sounds and click OK. We will add Despacito too. Now I'm pressing E. You can hear the sound. That's neat. Each time you make a change to the soundboard, click Save button. Now we are going to make sounds work in games. Open Steam settings, voice, and click Change Device. Set the virtual audio cable as the default input device, and if you want to hear the sounds you play, open Cables Properties and click Listen to this device. Press OK. Press OK. Now let's see if Steam will detect us playing the sound. That's pretty much it. You are good to go. If you close and launch the soundboard again, you can see that all your progress is gone. But fear not. Just click Load button and find your saved soundboard. Double click it and here we go, your soundboard. Don't forget to enable your soundboard because it's not gonna work otherwise. That's it. Bye.